Joe Casadonti, Casadonti Homes. We're out here today on a custom build, pouring our basement slab. See it going along here. We got our pump truck. Makes life a lot easier. As you can see, it goes faster and easier. The guys don't have to drag the concrete from the chute all the way across the room if it were just a normal truck delivery. You can see our vapor barrier in there. You can see, if you look closely, you can see some pins that give us the height. So there's a full 4 inches to 6 inches of concrete, 6 inches of stone underneath that vapor barrier. We're also pouring the crawl space area today too. You'll see that up there. That'll be next. And then over to my right here, you can also see we just finished pouring the garage. That has a bunch of really thick rebar every 2 feet, crisscrossing underneath all that, as you've seen in our previous videos. Structurally sound. Park a Mack truck on that. We're backfilled. You can see where we have our rubber wall up to here, and our backfill rough grade is here. So when the whole thing's all graded out, it'll be right above that, or right around that, which is fine. You can see we have our daylight egress window there for safety and some daylight. That ends up with a nice window on it, and it also has a little ladder so that if there's ever a situation you can't get out of the basement, you get out through that window. You can see where these 5-gallon buckets are. That's where underneath those are big giant piers, footings for where the steel columns will sit once we set the deck, first floor deck. And we'll pop those buckets out, set the steel, set the columns, and then we patch in around them. But underneath that patch is a big 4 foot by 4 foot by over a foot thick concrete for each column, each post for the steel beam. All right, that's it for today. Have a good day, folks.